And bowls that fuller. Vaibhav Suryavanshi is someone who's not going to hold back.
Yeah, you bowl in his zone and you'll be smashed. There is no other way about it. As far as he is concerned, he's pretty clear. The bowler just needs to adjust his line and length. Every now and then, he's erred in them. Again, too full, asking to be hit. And a batter in such form, there's no chance of sparing such stuff.
Once again, boundary of the very first ball. Go for that again. And he will clear that comfortably. These boys don't carry baggages. They carry belief.
Wonderfully put that. Very admirable, the kind of confidence that he's shown. And he's also shown very controlled aggression. Very well-timed moves. He hasn't gone berserk because of his previous inning. He's just taken it as a new match, settled down and then gone after the bowlers. Great shot this. It wasn't very close to him. He picked the length. Did that in style.
10 of the first 2 deliveries. Mukim conceding 22 of just 8 deliveries that he bowled. Vaibhav on 45. Goes for that big one. Perhaps an inside edge.
Nothing else would have saved him. Inside edge or otherwise, if it was later detected as being a no ball. First look, hitting middle.
This time, he goes aerial again. Oh, nicely taken in the end by Fike. But still, we need to check that, whether his foot touched the boundary rope or not. But at the moment, the Pakistani fielders are enjoying.
Yeah, the umpires will have a check whether the catch was taken cleanly and the foot didn't touch the skirting. The fielder seems pretty confident, but they always do. We shall find out.
I need to have a look at this again, but I think it's done really well. Fike was traveling, he was on the move. Pressure was also there, but he kept his eyes and composure.
Nothing moved. And Fike Butt has balanced himself perfectly. And in the end,